ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Sat Sri Akal Ji. It is truly an honor to speak before this distinguished gathering of Sikh brothers and sisters. Today we stand at an important moment in our history, a moment where our unity, our wisdom, and our actions will shape the future of our community and our coming generations. Sikhs have always been known for courage, intellect, compassion, and service. From Guru Nanak Dev Ji's message of equality and humanity to Guru Gobind Singh Ji's creation of the Khalsa, rooted in sacrifice and strength. We have always led with principles and vision. But today, we face new challenges, economic challenges, social challenges, and a challenge of global connection and opportunity. And we are here today to convert these challenges into strength. Global Online Sikh Network for Jobs and Business Opportunities. Our first mission is to build a global online Sikh network. In every corner of the world, Sikhs are running successful business, leading corporations, excelling in professional fields, and studying in top universities. At the same time, many young Sikhs, especially in India, are searching for opportunities, guidance, and a supportive hand. Imagine if we connect these two worlds: a Sikh entrepreneur in Canada mentoring a student in Punjab, or a business owner in London hiring a skilled Sikh professional from Delhi or Mumbai, or a startup in Australia collaborating with Sikh talent in the US. Through this international network, we will create job connections, business partnerships, mentorship programs, investment opportunities, knowledge sharing, and global support for every Sikh striving to rise. This is economic empowerment with brotherhood and dignity, the very essence of Sikhi. Second point is Global Sikh Think Tank for strategy, leadership, and solutions. Our second mission is the creation of Global Sikh Think Tank, a panel of Sikh intellectuals, doctors, engineers, lawyers, educators, entrepreneurs, scholars, and spiritual leaders coming together to research, plan, and guide our community with scientific thinking, logic, and wisdom. Why is this important? Because in today's world, only those communities rise who think strategically, act collectively, and plan long term. We will create policies, research papers, mentorship programs, leadership academies, and youth development forums to support Sikh globally. Our gurus gave us vision. Now we must build systems to bring that vision to life. Third, Sikh Youth and ITR Task Force, a global job support system. The third initiative is forming a Sikh Youth and IT Task Force. This dedicated team will create a global database of Sikh job opportunities, collect job postings from Sikh-owned companies, connect Sikh youth with employers, help with CV writings, interview skills, and use social media and technology for placements. If every successful Sikh business person decides to help even one Sikh youth find employment, thousands of careers will be shaped, thousands of families will rise, and the financial strength of our community will transform forever. This is not charity. This is responsibility, unity, and community building. Dear Sangatji, we come from a tradition where one Guru created saint soldiers who changed history. We build cities, we build institutions, and we protected humanity. Today, we must build digital strength, economic strength, and intellectual strength. This is not just a project, it is a moment for Sikh pride, Sikh progress, and Sikh empowerment across the world. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.